Hello everybody, welcome to NEET Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve an MCQ in the chapter wave optics. So far, in the last 6 videos, we have been looking at ray optics. Now this is wave optics. What is the question, sir? Let us look into the question. At the minimum adjacent to the central maximum of a single slit diffraction pattern. So this is the figure. This is the single slit. The width of the slit is small a. Point O is corresponding to the central maximum and the point B is corresponding to the adjacent minimum. Adjacent means what? First minimum. Is it not? Okay. Now you are asked to calculate the phase difference between the Huygen's wavelength from the edge of the slit. A is the edge of the slit, B is the midpoint of the slit. So from the edge of the slit and the wavelength from the midpoint of the slit. So yeah, one wavelength is starting from the point A, edge of the slit. Another wavelength is starting from the midpoint B of the slit. You are asked to calculate the phase difference between the two wavelengths. Okay, what is the value of what is the formula for phase difference? Delta phi is equal to delta x into 2 pi by lambda. What is delta phi? Phase difference. What is delta x? Path difference. So this is a relation, that is a relation between the phase difference and the path difference in the case of diffraction. So delta phi 1 is equal to delta x1 into 2 pi by lambda. Let it be, this is the equation 2. So before that, sir, for the first minimum at P, a sin theta is equal to lambda. So this is the formula, this is the equation for the first minimum. A sin theta is equal to lambda. Now you are asked to find the value of delta phi 1. Now from the figure, this delta x1, that is the path difference. The value of path difference, what is this? BC. BC is equal to delta x1. This is equal to a by 2 sin theta. It means what? Delta x1 by a by 2 is equal to sin theta. I will remember this word. Yeah, so delta. I will, whether it is right, sir? Okay, this is very much right. Okay, so in the figure, angle BBC is theta. Now, according to this equation, delta x1 by a by 2, this is delta x1 BC by AB is equal to sin theta. That means what? Opposite side by hypotenuse is sin theta. Sir, whether the angle PBO theta and the angle BAC is also equal to theta, is it right, sir? Let us look into them. So delta x1 will be able to sin theta. So look at this figure. Angle ABO is 90 degree. Is it not? Angle ABO is 90 degree. BBO is equal to theta. Then what is angle ABC? Angle ABC is 90 minus theta. Is it not? 90 minus theta. What is ACB? Exactly 90. This is the normal line. So this is 90 degree. This is 90 minus theta. In this equation ABC, definitely angle A, that is BAC, is theta only. Because sum of all the angles is 180 degree. That is inevitable. Okay. So if this is theta, this is also theta. There is no doubt about it. So from the figure, delta x1 is equal to a by 2 into sin theta. This is correct. Okay. Now you can substitute the value of delta x1, that is a by 2 sin theta, in the equation 2, because you are asked to find the phase difference. So delta phi 1 is equal to delta x1 க்கு பதிலாக a by 2 sin theta into 2 pi by lambda. So by equation 1 already we have a sin theta is equal to lambda. Okay. So for a sin theta by 2 in the denominator. Remember. So a sin theta you can put lambda. So delta phi 1 is equal to lambda, instead of a sin theta, lambda divided by 2. So into 2 pi by lambda, 2 pi by lambda. 2. So this lambda and 2 pi are in the numerator. These 2 lambda in the denominator. So you have 1 2 in the numerator and 1 2 in the denominator, they get cancelled. 1 lambda in the numerator, 1 lambda in the denominator, it is also cancelled. So finally you get delta of phi1 is equal to pi radian. Okay, pi radian. Even otherwise, you know that the phase difference is 180 degree in the case of central maximum and first minimum. So option 4, pi radian is the right answer. We will see one more MCQ in the next video. Till then, thank you one and all.